All right, here's the bathroom. Pretty small. I think it's about 35 square foot. But I don't think the areas back there need regrouting. This looks pretty good over here. So I think just replace this tile, with this one. You'd have to scrape this concrete board or whatever off. And then regrout probably this area in here. You can see that. And that's it. Maybe I could throw in just a few extra bucks. You can put some caulking around the bottom of the tub and re-caulk the sides there. But the shower does not need grouting, just the caulking there. But if you can't do caulking, that's okay. I can do that.